What the? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been having a little bit of an issue with the Land Cruiser. What will happen is, I'll start it, it'll stumble, and stall out. Sometimes it won't even start at all. After looking around for a little bit, and with some help from the internet, this is what I found. Here's my 99 Toyota Landcruiser. However, the procedure is the same whether you have a 98 all the way to 2007 Landcruiser or Lexus LX470.
Okay, so according to some of the forums that I've been reading, this guy is usually the issue. This is a 20 amp EFI fuse, and sometimes it burns out or whatever. Either way, let's take a look. This guy right here. Nifty fuse puller. There's our fuse. Ooh, okay. Let's take a closer look at this. That's the issue right there. You see how the fuse is a little bit melted, and it's not all the way burnt. You can still see it's intact, but it's very melted. So I wasn't able to find a 20 amp fuse. So I found a 25, which is also recommended. It shouldn't be too much of a difference, so we can still use this one with no issue. But putting it right beside the old one, you can see that the old one to the left looks pretty bad compared to what they're supposed to look like. So let's put the new one in there and see what happens. Prongs, the little tabs underneath here are pretty tight. They're not rattling around at all, so I don't think that's the issue. I think it was just the wires being a little old and whatever, causing more resistance.
And there we go. No more idling, doesn't die randomly. I think we should be okay. And that's it. So far, I haven't had any issues with the Land Cruiser. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the 25 amp fuse in there or switch back to the 20 that it was designed for. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.